What is RAM?
RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's a type of fast, temporary memory that your computer uses to store data it needs right away. When you open a program or file, your computer loads parts of it into RAM for quick access. Once your computer turns off, all information in RAM is erased.
What is storage?
This first stage of the speaking refers to the space where data is kept permanently, such as on a hard drive or solid-state drive. Unlike RAM, storage holds your files, programs, and operating system, even when the computer is turned off. Storage devices are slower than RAM, but provide long-term access to all your data.
Key differences between RAM and storage.
The main difference is that RAM is temporary and fast, while storage is permanent and slower. RAM helps your computer multitask and respond quickly. Storage keeps your files and software safe for the long haul. Both play unique roles in how your computer runs and manages information.
Why are both important?
Having enough RAM ensures your computer can handle multiple tasks without slowing down. Sufficient storage is essential for saving photos, documents, and applications. If you run out of RAM, the computer may struggle with performance. Too little storage and you won't have space for your data.
How to choose the right amount?
For everyday use, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage are typical starting points. If you edit videos or play games, consider more RAM and storage. Choosing the right balance helps your computer stay fast and reliable, ensuring both smooth performance and ample space for your needs.